Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on company truck. So I have a jack. That's a heavy 3-ton low profile jack that I usually carry it in here, but it's been moving around and it's been hitting everything and it's really annoying, so it doesn't stay still. So I came up with a pretty cool idea. Right here there is a factory. Where do I find it? Well, there's like a little hook, not a hook, but like a little hook type thing, and then this bolt in there. I'm like, oh, why don't I just make like a little template or something to be able to put the jack in there and it won't slide around. And I ended up finding out that this bolt, it's a T50 and it comes right off. I started by grabbing a template and cutting it out more or less to fill this part up right here, and then I made the other template out of wood, a 2x4, and now I just painted it gloss black, black, anything black wise, so it doesn't, so it mixes in with the floor. And I had this extra diamond leather I had laying around. Actually, it was under there. Don't need it under there. It's just cardboard in this, and then this will provide a little more grip, little soft spot. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually bolt it down there. I'm gonna actually bolt this down with the same factory hole, and put that on that, and then that's gonna go on top of the mat, and it should stay in this area at least. So let's get to it. All right, so now after you put the bottom, I put this little soft leather on top for grip, and I just screw them down along the board. Over there I anchored it to the cabin over there. By the way, guys, this is all DIY. Little by little, you know, I set it up. Instead of spending, I got this on OfferUp for like 80 bucks. But everything else is my own toolbox, a shelf cabinet I had from IKEA. You know, this little thing I'm making up myself, so I don't have to actually spend so much money on more shelving and all that. Makes it more crowded. This should fit perfectly on there, but let's try it out. All right, so let's put the jack on there. Perfect. So the point of this is so it doesn't slide around. Look at that. It's very grippy. I'm actually moving the whole van, but easy to put in, doesn't slide around. And then when I want to take it out, this is what I was really looking at, having it pivot like this without actually digging into the van. That way I'm able to grab it from the handle right there, and from there I'm able to take it out easier. I'm very happy with how it came out. It sits perfect. Anchored it down, anchored it here too. Can't really see it. There you go. Using the factory T50 bolt. I believe that T50 bolt is the same that you use for the brackets of the chairs, the front seats. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. All right, guys, today's video is very simple, something very easy. I just needed somewhere to store the jack and not move around, damage the van more than it needs to be damaged. So I did that little DIY. If you guys can, please comment down below on stuff you guys would like to see in the future with this van, what I could do. I have the front brakes already. Actually, they're over there in the little box right there. Plan to do those soon. It's brake pads and rotors. I'm planning to change out the other tail light, actually do a full LED upgrade on the whole car, interior lights, back lights, headlights, all the goodies. I'm also gonna do install a small inverter from the cigarette lighter. Not a big deal, but I'll show you guys my little setup. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm actually gonna do a deep cleaning in the cabin, so I'm gonna actually post that video up soon also. A little bit here and there stuff that I could do for you guys, but I will need your help. Just comment down below on stuff you'd like to see about this little Transit. Give me ideas of what I could do for more storage ideas, and yeah, we could go from there. But again, guys, subscribe to the channel, help me grow within the community. I like doing different cars. Right now I'm focusing on a little bit more on this, so I'll be able to focus more on other cars also. So, but stay tuned and follow our social medias, Instagram, Facebook, for any updates, any upgrades I've done recently, etc. Keep supporting us, and on to the next one.